So good. You're doing so good.
Mommy.
Yeah, show me one more scoop. Show me another scoop for her. Oh, you want your piece. Okay, one spoon for you. A couple pieces for Oakley on the floor. And then a spoon for Olivia. Put a little bit more on the spoon. Sure. And then in her mouth. That's a girl. All right. Good stuff.